Ready to build the most adorable squishy dumpling world ever? Prepare yourselves for maximum cuteness! Welcome to the quiz show! Which squishy bed are you snuggling in? The rainbow squishy bed, the gold squishy bed, or the galaxy squishy bed? So cozy! Which squishy mansion calls to you most? The holographic mansion, the slime mansion, or the blue mansion? Pick your beanbag! Pink glitter, purple glitter, or orange glitter? Choose your squishy slide! Diamond, lava, or a cat squishy slide? Would you rather abandon your favorite squishy forever? Oh no! Or comment your favorite squishy down below. Abandoning your favorite squishy would be terrible. Don't do it. Go comment your favorite squishy instead. Which plushie is joining your collection? White, red, or green? Which delicious dumpling are you devouring? Pork, red bean, or shrimp? Yum! Choose your squishy nightlight! Green glitter, blue glitter, or rainbow? Memorize the emojis! Do you remember where the holographic squishy is? It's right over here! Which squishy hat are you rocking today? Gold, tie-dye, or ice? Ever wish you could actually click your answer? Well, now you can! The Quiz Show website is officially live! Click the link in the description or simply visit thequizshow.tv and play all our quizzes and games for real! Pick your secret squishy tent! Neon yellow, purple, or holographic? Such a tough decision! Which squishy bathtub are you soaking in? Slime, galaxy, or pink glitter? Okay, lock in. Would you rather take a bath in boiling hot lava squishies? Yikes! Or subscribe to this channel? A lava bath sounds super painful. Save yourself and smash that subscribe button instead. Which squishy bounce house are you jumping in? Black, furry orange, or silver? Choose your squishy cupcake flavor. Vanilla, chocolate, or red velvet? Sweet! Let's choose your squishy ring! Sushi, gold, or purple glitter? Pick your private jet! brown or white. Now that is traveling in style. Choose your squishy pouch. The cat pouch, the green pouch, or the diamond pouch. It's unboxing time! Are you opening the left or right box? Ew, that one has poop in it! Which squishy slippers are you sliding into? Lava slippers, holographic slippers, or neon pink slippers? It's treehouse time! Turquoise, rainbow, or lavender, the ultimate hangout spot. Choose your squishy phone case. Tie-dye, pink glitter, or slime. Which squishy cake are you cutting into? Galaxy, ice, or green glitter? Pick a squishy keychain. Red, gray, or cheese? I've never seen a cheese squishy before. Spot the odd squishy. There it is! Which squishy castle are you ruling over? A confetti squishy castle? A tie-dye castle? Or a gold castle? Choose your squishy toaster! Purple glitter, blue glitter, or neon yellow? Which squishy watch are you showing off? Rainbow, red glitter, or blue? Time to pick your squishy car! Lava, dark blue, or white! Such a cute car! Choose your squishy toilet! Pink glitter, diamond, or green? Memorize the emojis! Can you remember where the gold squishy dumpling was? It's over here! Which squishy roller coaster are you riding? Silver, slime, or purple? Hold on tight! Which squishy fountain belongs in your yard? The cat squishy fountain, the holographic squishy fountain, or the galaxy fountain? Time for dessert! Choose your squishy ice cream. Strawberry, vanilla, or chocolate? Which squishy rug do you prefer? Gold, rainbow, or black? Choose your squishy sunglasses. green glitter, neon pink, or purple glitter. Okay, Slay! Which squishy neon sign is lighting up your room? The pink and purple sign? The blue squishy sign? Or the green and yellow sign? Here we go again! Are you going with the left or right box? It's a tiny and jumbo squishy! Are you happy with your choice? Which squishy hair clip are you wearing? The white one, the red one, or the holographic one? Pick your squishy boba flavor! Milk tea, matcha, or taro! So refreshing! Which squishy hot air balloon are you flying in? The pink glitter one, the galaxy one, or the lava one? Choose your squishy headphones! Diamond, green, or rainbow! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you had loads of fun. I know I did. Subscribe to the quiz show to never miss our new videos and check out one of these fun quizzes next.